afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Aska.
Hi Aska.
And today we'll be discussing about present simple. The first is nominal, second is verbal. Positive sentence is subject. M is R plus predicate. Kalau verbal, subject plus verb plus object. Negative sentence, subject. M is R plus verb plus predicate. Kalau verbal, subject don't atau doesn't, verb plus object. Kalau interrogative sentence is M is R plus subject plus predicate. Kalau yang pertama, who atau does plus subject plus verb plus object. Example, habit, I play badminton every Tuesday. Example, habit, I play badminton every Tuesday. Thank you for your attention. Feel free to ask question.
Apa itu present simple?
Present simple is express general truth and habits.
Okay. I want to ask you.
Yes, of course.
Okay, Aska. Give me one example about general truth.
Ini ya, teacher.
I'm audience, I'm not teacher.
Iya, audience.
Example is express general truth. The sun rises in the east.
Rises atau rises?
Rises.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera, swastiastu, namo buddhaya, salam kebajikan. Good afternoon everyone.
Good afternoon.
I'm Anada Tashabila and today we will discussing about past tense. Let's look at the data in more detail. For the first is positive sentence. Untuk verbalnya we can use subject plus verb to. For example is she bought a new book yesterday. Untuk nominal we can use subject plus was where plus nominal. Example, the case was hard to solve. Negative sentence untuk verbalnya we can use subject plus did plus not plus verb one. Example, she did not buy a new book yesterday. Nominalnya subject was were not verb one. Example, the case was not hard to solve. Untuk interrogative sentence we can use did plus subject plus verb one. Example, did she buy a new book yesterday? Nominalnya kita bisa menggunakan was were subject plus verb one. Example, was the case hard to solve? Thank you for your attention. Feel free to ask questions.
What is past tense?
Past tense is event in the past atau kejadian di masa lampau.
Okay. What verb used in past tense?
Verb to.
Verb to.
Tapi kalau negatif sama interrogatif, you can use verb one.
Oh, okay. And nominal sentence we use to be,
Was where.
was where, was for subject,
Get, I, she, it.
and where.
And where you, they, we.
Okay, thank you Nada.
You're welcome. For your attention, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Action.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Tala Albarizi, and today we'll be discussing active voice and passive voice. The first point I want to make is that point. Let's look at the data in more detail. I'll start by giving you a brief overview of active voice and passive voice. Formula of active voice and passive voice. Tense, simple present tense. Subject plus verb 1 plus object. Active voice. Passive voice, object, am, is, are plus verb 3 plus by plus object pronoun. Simple past tense. Subject, verb 2, object. Object was, were, verb 3 by object pronoun. Simple future tense. Subject, shall, will, verb 1, object. Object, shall, will be, verb 3 by object pronoun. Present continuous tense. Subject, is, are plus verb 1 plus 2 plus object. Object plus n, is, are plus may, plus verb 3 plus 3 plus object pronoun. Voice and passive voice. Thank you for your attention. Education.
What is active voice?
Active voice itu menggunakan kata kerja me. Contohnya seperti makan, membantu, memakai.
No.
Active and passive voice. Give me one example from active voice and passive voice. Thank you. Active voice-nya apa ini? Active. Iya, contohnya apa? Example-nya yang mana?
Contohnya
Oke, it's easy.
I want to ask you. Please give me the examples. Active voice.
I think I can. I drive car. He will go to. Thank you for your attention.